For some reason, I feel like the pieces in the front are always ones with the most buildup. And I put the same amount of product on every hair, so I don't really understand why there's no buildup. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lota if you're new. In this video, I'll be taking out my braids because I just wanted to get rid of these braids because I'm tired of them. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna just take this hair tie and tie up my braids. So I actually already started a little bit. But like, do y'all see that? Y'all see that? Anyway, so what I do is I just like start from the back and then I'll just pull out some hair. Obviously not with like force. And then to save time, I just take the braids and I'll cut it like where I think I have a little bit of space in between the braid and my natural hair. Cause I don't wanna, I don't wanna cut my natural hair, so. For some reason, I feel like the pieces in the front are always ones with the most buildup. And I put the same amount of product on every hair, so I don't really understand why there's no buildup. Like, I'm back. I know I look scary. I only have one braid left. Surprisingly, I took this out in I think like 30 minutes. Like, it took like no time to take out. So now that I'm done, I need to detangle and trim my hair. But first, I'm just gonna detangle it. So I just have like this little spray bottle of water and this like, what's it called? Fine-tooth comb. And I'm just gonna use that to detangle. Finally done. My hair does shrink a lot. This is all the hair that came out of that fine-tooth comb. So now I'm just gonna trim it. So whenever I trim my hair, I just put it into twists and then like I cut off the skinniest part of the twist. So I'm actually done trimming my hair. So I'm just gonna do my pre-shampoo. I use aloe vera gel. This one doesn't have any alcohol in it. And then I'm gonna use this tea tree oil. This is like a diluted version of it. I think it was like $2. This was like $4 at Walmart, so yeah. anyways, so after I apply all the aloe vera and oil mix, I either like I'll just walk around like this, or sometimes I'll put a bag over my head to like trap in the heat so it can actually incorporate more into my hair. I usually let this sit in my hair for 30 to 45 minutes. That's if I have time, if not 25 minutes. So that is obviously the end of my video. I know I look like a little boy right now, and this pimple in the head is not making it any better. But if you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you're an awesome person. And don't forget to turn on the push notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video.